Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Beautybyada here. So today we are going to be trimming my brows using a blade and just your spoolie. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that, how I usually trim my brows using a blade. So first of all, you all need a clean blade and a new razor blade, and then you need your spoolie or anything, or your mascara wand, whatever you want to use. So guys, you see me, I brush up. Firstly, I brush up my brows, and then you can see clearly where the extra hairs that are not supposed to be where they are, then you trim that out. And while doing this, you have to be careful so you don't cut yourself. But I've been doing this for years and I have never cut myself, so you just have to. If you can't do this by yourself, that's fine. You can go to a professional or a makeup artist who knows how to do this. After trimming the down part, you brush up again just to be sure that everything is clear. Then when you brush up, you see the extra hairs on top, you try to take those out. Just take your time and do this. Please do it gently. If you don't know how to do this, I repeat again, please go to a professional. So I'm trying to see, you can see the difference already. It's already showing in the brows. You can see the brows that I have done and the one that I have not trimmed. And then you brush down. You would want to brush down just to remove those extra hairs, those excess hairs. I brush down and you can see me there trying to pull out those excess hair. So just cut that out. You want everything to come out clean, I brush up again and I'm looking for if I can see any more stray hairs, and then I take that out as well. And then I am also trimming the down part just to be sure that everywhere is clear and clean. So as you can see, this is where my arc is supposed to be. So I'm trying to do that properly so my arc can show properly. And as you guys can see, I'm not the type, some people are really blessed with having good brows, but I don't really have a full brows. I've never had a full brows ever in my life. So I've never had a full brows, and never had a full, like the well-shaped brows. Some people are lucky to have that, but we are not lucky to have that. I try to create my own arc myself. And then you want to go down just in the same direction that I'm going. I'm trying to clear up the surroundings of the brows, clear up part of that top brows, just to make everything look clean and neat. If you're lucky enough to have full brows and well-shaped brows, then there you go, kudos to you. But me personally, I have never had a full brows. I don't know why my brows came out like that, but that is what it is. I've never had a full brows or anything. So this is how it's looking, and you can see the difference in the two brows. Please, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed already, please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. I'm doing the same thing right now on the second brows, just the same thing I did on my right brows. That's what I'm doing on the left one. So, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, because that will be appreciated. I'm trying to grow my little channel, so please share my videos. That will be really helpful. And as you all know, this channel is about everything makeup, hair. You know, I do hair tutorials, I do makeup tutorials, braiding, everything you can think of. This channel is very educational when it comes to the beauty side, you know. So please, I know you know, if you are interested in this type of videos, please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload. So thank you so much guys for watching. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. See you guys soon.